Jai Hind and good morning to all the students. Saraswati Shishupun Vagwala Borsar English Medium. Students, this is another new video of Standard 4 subject EVS. Students, as you know that our revision work for the second unit test is going on. So students, today we will discuss two questions. That is question number 1b and question number 1c. In question number 1b, you will going to learn today match the following. And in question number 1c, you will going to learn the fill in the blanks. And both these questions will be asked from your textbook from chapter number 14 to 16. So students, I hope you will learn these two questions. Students, let us begin today's video. Students, so question number 1b is there. That is match the following. Students, here two parts are there, A and B. In A side the questions are there and in B there are answers. Students, we have to find out the correct answer and then we have to match. So students, let us begin. Let me read the questions. Here wheat, A to dig the ground. In B millets are there. So the option is a creeper. Then third number pickaxe. Then it is C, a winter crop. And fourth number water guard. And here it is D, option is given, a monsoon crop. Now student, you have to find out the correct answer. A. So first number wheat. So here to dig the ground, a creeper, a winter crop or a monsoon crop. So students, where will you match it? So yes, wheat is grown in winter season. So students, the winter season is going on. So in this season, wheat grows very well because it requires lots of cold. So wheat you have to match here with C, a winter crop. So where will you match a wheat to a winter crop because it is a winter crop. Then second number question, it is millets. So millets grow in which season? It grows in the monsoon season. So it is a monsoon crop. So here you have to match second with D. Millets you have to match with D, a monsoon crop. Then student, pickaxe. And the farmers use this pickaxe. So they use it to dig the ground. So that is your answer. So pickaxe you have to match with A. It is used to dig the ground. Then students, fourth number water guard. So very easy because only one answer is remaining at the last. So water guard you have to match with B, a creeper, because it is a creeper plant. So you have to match water guard with B, a creeper. Students, the second number match the following is, here the questions are written Chotu. Option is sells vegetables with his father. Second number, Vaishali's mother. So then the option is given, brings vegetables from the market in tempo. Then third number, Chotu's uncle. Option is C, takes vegetables from their sacks and arranges them. Fourth number, Vaishali's elder brother. And the option is D, goes to school and studies. So students, now what you have to do, you have to find out the correct answer and then you have to match the following. First, Chotu. Chotu means Vaishali's younger brother. So what he does, he goes to school and studies. So students, you have to match with A with D. What Vaishali's younger brother Chotu does, he goes to school and studies. So you have to match one with D. Then second number, Vaishali's mother. What Vaishali's mother does in the morning? So here, sells vegetables with his father? No. brings vegetables from the market in a tempo? No, she does not go. Then takes vegetables from their sacks and arranges them? Yes. What Vaishali's mother does? She takes vegetables from their sacks and arranges them. So students, you have to match second number with C. Then third number, Chotu's uncle. What Chotu's uncle does? So two options are remaining with us. Sells vegetables with his father or brings vegetables from the market in tempo. So Chotu's uncle, as we have studied in the chapter, he goes with Vaishali's father and brings vegetables from the market. So now third number you have to match with B. Chotu's uncle brings vegetables from the market in tempo. Then fourth number is Vaishali's elder brother. What work Vaishali's elder brother does? So he sells vegetables with his father. So what Vaishali's elder brother does? So he sells vegetables with his father. So students, you have to first read all the question and then with correct answer you have to match. And students, third and last number match the following is there. First, let us look at the questions. First number, Taylor bird. The option A is there. Lays eggs in another's nest. Peacock makes a nest in an empty house. Third, pigeon. Colorful feathers. Fourth number, a cuckoo. D. Stitches leaves to make a nest. So students, you have to first read the question and then you have to write the answers. So now let us look at the answer. First A, Taylor bird. Where will you match Taylor bird? Lays eggs in another's nest? No. Makes a nest in an empty house? No. Colorful feathers? No. Stitches leaves to make a nest. So students, this B option is the correct answer. That a Taylor bird stitches leaves to make a nest. So you have to match A with D. A Taylor bird stitches leaves to make a nest. Second, a peacock. So where will you match? Lays eggs in another nest, makes a nest in an empty house, or colorful feathers. So students, you must have seen a peacock. How is feathers? It has colorful feathers. So your students, you will match second with C. A peacock with colorful feathers. Then third, a pigeon. So only two options are remaining. Lays eggs in another nest or makes a nest in an empty house. So students, while explanation of this chapter, this month I also explained that a pigeon, it makes nest in an empty house. So students, this is your answer. Third with B. A pigeon makes a nest in an empty house. Then student, cuckoo. So last, if one option is remaining, that is your answer. Cuckoo lays eggs in another's nest. So yes, this is your answer. So you have to match 4 with A. A cuckoo lays eggs in another's nest. So students, these are the answers of match the following of question number 1B. I hope you have understood it. And students, the second question that today we will going to discuss is question number 1C, that is fill in the blanks, and that will also be asked from chapter number 13 to 16. So let us look at it. First number fill in the blank is the river completes its journey when it meets the blank. So what is the answer to the blank? So students, as you know that river starts from a mountain and it goes and meets the sea at the last. So the answer is C. The river completes its journey when it meets the sea. So your answer is C. S-E-A-C. The second number blank is many times when there is very heavy rainfall, there is a blank in the river. So students, when there is a very heavy rainfall, then what comes in the river? The flood comes. So that is your answer. What is your answer? Flood. So on FLOOD. So it is your answer, flood. Many times when there is very heavy rainfall, there is a flood in the river. The third number is river water is sweet, whereas sea water is. So how is the water of the sea? It is salty. So that is your answer. River water is sweet, whereas sea water is salty. So student, here answer will be salty. SALTY, salty. Then students, 4 number, fill in the blanks. We recognize rivers as blank. So this answer you will also get from your give reason. That is your question. That we recognize rivers as Lokmata. What we call rivers, our mothers, means Lokmata. So that is your answer. We recognize rivers as Lokmata. So here your answer, Lokmata. Then 5 number, the largest river of Gujarat is. Which is the largest river of Gujarat? Yes, so it is Narmada. So that is your answer. The largest river of Gujarat is Narmada. So what is the spelling of Narmada? Narmada. So that is your answer. The largest river of Gujarat is Narmada. This is the 6th number. And next number fill in the blank is Baswa's father works as a blank. So what work Baswa's father does? So he is a farmer. So that is your answer. Baswa's father works as a farmer. So that is your answer. FARMER, farmer. Then next blank is a few days after sowing. It's whenever sown seeds. Blank can be seen growing out of the ground. So after 15 or 20 days, what will come from the ground? So if you have studied the chapter closely, that after sowing the seeds, after few days, sprout appears from the seeds. So that is your answer. So the answer is sprout. SPROUT, sprout. A few days after sowing seeds, after sowing, sprout can be seen growing out of the ground. Then another blank is when enough blank are sown at a specific distance, the harvest is good. What we have to grow at a specific distance, or a farmer has to grow at a specific distance, so they are sowing seeds. So what they have to sow at specific distance? Seeds. So that is your answer. When enough seeds are sown at a specific distance, then the harvest is good. Then 9 number fill in the blank is Vaishali's father and uncle bring the vegetables in a blank from the market. So when Vaishali's father and uncle goes very early in the morning in the market, so in which vehicle they bring the vegetables? So they bring vegetables from the market in a tempo. So that is your answer. TEMPO, tempo. So Vaishali's father and uncle bring the vegetables in a tempo from the market. Next number fill in the blank is, that is number 10. There are blank members in Vaishali's family. So students, how many members are there in Vaishali's family? So there are 5 members. So that is your answer. There are 5 members in Vaishali's family. Then the next number blank is Chotu's father brings fresh vegetables from the blank. So from where Chotu's or Vaishali's father brings fresh vegetables in the morning? So he brings fresh vegetables from the market. So that is your answer. So the answer is market. So the answer is Chotu's father brings fresh vegetables from the market. The next fill in the blank is Vaishali's father and brother return home about blank o'clock at night after selling vegetables. So Vaishali's father and her elder brother, when they come to home after selling the vegetables, so they come at 10 o'clock at night. So at which time they come? They come at 10 o'clock at night after selling vegetables. Then students, the 30 number blank is the blank bird makes its nest in the hollow of a tree. So students, which bird makes its nest in the hollow of a tree? During the explanation, I also explained a barbet bird. Which bird? Barbet bird makes its nest in the hollow of a tree. So barbet is your answer. So the spelling is B-A-R-B-E-T. So the barbet bird makes its nest in the hollow of a tree. Yes, students, the 14 number blank is blank hatch out of eggs. So when the eggs are there in the nest, so what comes out of the eggs? So the answer is chicks or young ones of a bird. So what we call them? We call them chicks. So the answer is chicks. Chicks hatch out of eggs. Then students, today's last number blank is a blank swallows its food whole without chewing. So which animal it swallows its food without chewing it? Students, as you know also, and that is also given in your textbook, that a snake does not chew its food, swallows its food whole. So the answer is snake. A snake swallows its food whole without chewing it. So students, these were the answers of 15 fill in the blanks. That is from chapter number 13 to 16. I hope you have understood it. So students, with this is also the end of this video. I hope you will going to learn this question number 1, B and C we have discussed today. Question number 8 you get in your online class, that we will discuss in that class. So students, this is also the end of this video. I hope you will learn. Thank you and have a